Fibremaxxing is absolutely blowing up on TikTok right now. Millions of posts, billions of views. How exciting is that? But is this just another fad? Or could it actually be one of the simplest, science-backed ways to boost your health in 2025? Let's find out together. Today, we'll break down what fibremaxxing really is, the awesome health benefits, and how you can start today without turning your diet upside down. Fibremaxxing is all about maximizing your daily fiber intake, not just hitting the minimum, but going beyond for truly amazing health. Most adults get only 15 to 18 grams of fiber daily, which is way below the recommended 25 to 38 grams. But you can do better. Fibremaxxing fans aim for 30, 40, even 50 grams a day, using delicious fruits, veggies, beans, whole grains, and seeds. It's easier than you think. Fiber is a powerhouse nutrient, especially soluble fiber, because it feeds your gut microbiome and helps you feel fantastic. Healthy gut bacteria produce short-chain fatty acids that reduce inflammation and support your immune system. That's a win. Lowers cholesterol. Soluble fiber binds to LDL cholesterol in your gut, helping remove it from your body. Amazing, right? Controls blood sugar. Fiber slows down digestion, preventing blood sugar spikes. That's key for managing or preventing type 2 diabetes. Supports weight management. High-fiber foods keep you full longer, so you eat less and feel great. Research from the Lancet found that people eating 30-plus grams of fiber daily had a 15–30% lower risk of heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. That's a huge benefit. On TikTok, fibremaxxing isn't just about nutrition. It's about a fun, supportive community. Creators share easy swaps like adding chia seeds to smoothies or swapping white rice for quinoa. So many tasty ideas. The trend is resonating because it's positive, inclusive, and backed by science, not just about looks. If you want to start fibremaxxing, increase your fiber gradually. Jumping in too fast can cause bloating, and always pair it with plenty of water since fiber absorbs fluid in your gut. You've got this. Simple tips. Add a cup of beans or lentils to your meals. Snack on fruit with skin, like apples and pears. Easy and delicious. Sprinkle flax or chia seeds into your breakfast for a fiber boost. Your body will thank you. Fibremaxxing is more than a trend. It's a habit that could protect your heart, improve your digestion, and boost your energy. So why not give your gut some love today? If you learned something new today, hit like, subscribe, and share this with your fiber-curious friends. Spread the positivity, and drop a comment with your favorite high-fiber food. Let's inspire each other.